man them. Not even know that I got him out anyway. I always call World Dog name. I say World Dog first. Put out my picture them. You say put out my picture them and drag them on the net. People know that. And post me up and mock me. But as I say, him get paid for do that. I mean, I put my mouth on a tag and get paid for do that. So at the end of the day, I'm doing work. So what happened now, when Shensia boss, Ramesh buy out him, but Pretty Dan still stick to her job. Because I say, Pretty Dan attack say, oh, she come and show in New York, you know. Yeah, you come and show in New York, but when the people them pay for come and show in New York, I saw you start to talk everything. So then pay you, but then you're not getting paid the money short all the while. You understand, bitch? So remember, I just start little food, I want to money somewhere else, you start chat people. So you can't come trace me off when you tell the truth now. You can't come trace me off. Because I know you can't be no one just step on one screen now. Remember, the internet that's one screen on the desk and look on the corner now. No, you can't come beat me or hang me or I know if you want to come and show them, come see me too. You can't come. Me not a problem. Me not a problem. Because anywhere you want to take it now. Anywhere you want to take it. Anyone who want to take it, because it's a Capricorn, you know. And when the Capricorn go to the other side, you know, we take it to anyone who want to go. Anywhere who want to go into this. Because only if you come on the internet, come travel all the while and ruin my life and my family and mash up my food, I'm enough to talk. All when me old and I dead, me enough to talk. All when me old and I dead, me enough to talk, me enough to fight. Me never fight with my family, them and my food. Want to come and try to bring me down. Me not do nobody nothing in music, you know. When I come sing song, you know. I never know so I say dirty and corrupt, you know. When me just start to do music, me swear to heaven may I come, you know. Me swear to heaven may I come. Me never know say me I got hell. Me never know say it would be like this. All my dream of my life, I'm in a studio, in a school, I come up, dream I want to be a superstar, becomes the wickedest thing ever happened to me in my life. If me could have relived my life again, me go turn doctor or something else, or the pilot or me the one turn. A plane, me the one to fly. A plane, me the one to fly. Because I'm a Capricorn and money we deal with. I was there on one plane and when we land, I said, blood tell me I still can't go to school. See, somebody says it's not too late. That's true.
I'm going to go say.
I was there on plane land with me. I said, blood tell me let's go by Long Island. Go by plane school.
Yeah, man, do that, man, and make something different. No.
Because Macka nervous break.
Every day this big monster in our dirty house down in Florida takes it for me. Dirty girl going to look on new house and come down there for me, broker, you can't buy a house. Me, broker, you can't buy a new house where you get paper for your 10 life on Jamaica. Pretty than you 10 life on Jamaica, you know. Pretty than you 10 life on Jamaica so you can't go back to Jamaica to get green card. You're a wicked Jamaica nothing look on you. Can lie your tail for get green card and tell lie on Jamaica. So people in Jamaica want to kill you and this and that. And nobody now run no lesbian and batman in Jamaica. We love everybody in Jamaica. Jamaica nah do them nothing again. And I like back in the days. Not no got some. Everybody have the most gay friends now.
Like that,
Macka, wall out, Macka.
So when you come tell lie to get green card out Jamaica, people want to kill her. And you can't go back to Jamaica, you can't want to fly, go back to your country where you come from, girl. So don't come stand here.
And no gay friend around here.
And you have Florida for yourself and green card and you still can't buy a house. Y'all tell me about bed when me not have on this and I try to drag me in the mud. Girl, you can't drag me in the mud because you don't know nobody. You each up at the wife house and she don't like you. The girl don't like you. Because you only want the free ear do and look the girl them. Which way she do them ear. That's all you want, dirty pretty Dan. You stink like from we look like when you say you're mold in a blood clot. You can't talk to me. You understand? You suck out everything out of pussy and them somebody want to come argue with human being. Bitch, don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm in a business one who wants to say